In this video, I will show you how to allow webcam access on Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So if you are trying to use something like Zoom or maybe Google Meet on your Google Chrome browser, but your webcam is not working, then it could just be that you need to enable access and allow the permission so you can use your webcam. Now to do this, what you want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots to open this menu. From here, come down and click onto settings, and once you've got your settings window opened, come over to the left hand side, and on this menu you want to click onto privacy and security. Then what you want to do in the privacy and security section is click onto site settings, and from here scroll down to the permission section and click onto camera. Now on here, what you want to do first is come up to the top, click onto this drop down box and make sure you selected the correct webcam from here, whether that's an inbuilt laptop webcam or like an external webcam that you've connected. Make sure you've selected the correct one from here. Now once you've done that, come down to the default behavior section, and what you want to do is tick the box here so that sites can ask to use your camera. What you can also do is scroll down a bit further on this page and just check down here to see if any sites are not allowed to use your camera, in which case you can change this and make it so that the site is allowed to use your camera. You can see I've not added any sites myself, but if you have added any sites, you'll be able to change that from here. Once that's done, just close down your settings and you should now be good to go and be able to use your webcam to use certain websites. So that is how to allow webcam access on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.